Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed up on Wednesday, lifted by shares in energy, semiconductor equipment, automobiles and components, all of those sectors. While on the economic docket, MBA mortgage applications, they fell 2.6% for the week ended May 15th from 0.3% the previous week. Although also at the same time, the FOMC released its April 29th meeting minutes, which stated that financial markets had shown improvement as a result of the actions taken by the Fed, but the economic outlook is still uncertain due to the lagging effects of the coronavirus on the global economy. This all as 84% of SP 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Expedia disclosing first quarter adjusted LPS of $1.83, worse than expected, down from an LPS of 27 cents a year ago on sales of $2.2 billion. Take-Two Interactive Software, that's a leading global video game publisher, it announced fourth quarter adjusted EPS of $1.50, beating expectations, this from 78 cents a year ago on sales of $729.4 million, exceeding forecasts. Now, in terms of expectations, today we do have results from the combination of NVIDIA and Medtronic, while on the economic docket before the opening bell, we do have focus on the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, and we also have focus on initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims. Right after the opening bell, we have the release of market services, market composite, and market manufacturing PMI reads, while at 10 o'clock in the morning, we have the release of existing home sales figures. Taking a look now at the markets, the SP 500, that's where we begin. That sees a consolidation in place, and that's in focus as the relative strength index shows downside momentum. Short positions below 29.76 are favored with targets at 29.27 and 29.08 in extension. The Nasdaq, that sees consolidation, while the Dow Jones intraday sees a consolidation in place.